Yan, dito tayo sa British Columbia. Tim Hortons. So we're in the middle of summer and it's snowing. Yan. Lone Bat. We're at ESO. Yan, punta kaming Kamloops.
Charlie has blue eyes.
Sure.
One top, more flavor.
Good morning, Kamloops. Dito tayo sa Kamloops. Ganda dito. Parang parang Badlands din yung yung mga bundok. Wala masyadong trees. Ang ganda ng mountain nila compared sa mountains sa North BC. Ayan. Bagal. Ito, dito tayo sa Kamloops, oh. Ganda, oh. Ang ganda yung galing sa taas, eh. Yung view. Wala yan sa Queen's Church.
Same thing. Make us.
That's it. That's it.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice.
Nice try. Come to.
Nick, you're outside. You're outside, Nick.
Stay with them. Oh, really? Stay with them. Help. Good job.
Answer the coffee.
I don't know who that is.
Head up, pick it up. Yeah.
Go.
Go!
Nice, Ellis. Here comes.
That's nice.
Guys! It's in there, Rob! Somebody touch it! Ask for space!
Ask for space, guys.
Oh, man! That's a nice one. Okay, go!
Oh, nice try, guys. There we go. Chase.
Go back!
Good.
Stay on him. Go.
Leo.
Go.
Go, Leo.
Don't touch it.
Masyadong. Go, Roy! Oh.
Let's go, Ray. Get up, guys.
Bakit hindi niya binibigay dito ng tao?
Ouch. Good job, Ray.
Go in the middle!
Oh. Oh, Ray. Go get help.
Help, Roy!
Nasa doon, wala naman tao.
Wala nga.
Empty. Wala tulog mo.
Defense! Man, go. Injured. Mas kendo.
I want it.
Boys, I have a couple more certificates.
The big burger, oh. Ooh, nice. Big burger in Williams Lake. Yan, Sunday morning, nagpulot kami ng basura para sa soccer league ng mga anak namin. Yan yung mga Pilipino rin na kasama namin. Si John tsaka si Sharon. Anak niya, isa soccer din. So, yun yung kanilang programa para bayaran ng kanilang team para may fund. Yan yung fire hall dito sa heart ng magbabayad. Doon kami galing sa fire hall. Yan. Binigyan kami ng vest tsaka gloves para pag pick up ng basura. Tsaka yung mga bote ganyan, may mga ano sila eh. Yung mga tawag nito, aluminum cans, yan. Yung nakita pa nga mga ano eh, wine bottles. So, yan. Yan, dito tayo sa Thursday afternoon. Magandang panahon natin. At tayo musta mga kababayan, kaibigan. Gabi ngayon, mag-alas 9 na. Pero kita nyo man, maliwanag pa. Kasi malapit na ang June 21st ata, yung first day ng summer. So yun yung longest day of the year. So ngayon, pataas yung araw. So mga alas 10. Ayan, meron pang araw. So that's nice. Ayan, dito tayo. Ang dami nangyari, no? Yung Honda CR-V 2005, mag-settle na lang daw yung dito ICBC sa BC. Yung parang sila yung central na auto insurance. So yung market value, imbis na rin yung repair, kasi yung repair is around 4,000 mahigit. Ang value, ang market value is about the same as the repair value. So sabi nila, we just gonna yung parang i-buy out na lang nila sa market value. Tapos may $250 deductible. So yun minus doon sa amount, but that's your deductible. So pero although hindi ako ang may kasalanan, yung anak ni Esme, 50%, 50-50 yung fault. Siguro kung walang fault, walang deductible. Yan. Paano ba kayong magtrabaho sa employer? So, advice ko, no, mababang bata pa kayo, especially yung mga nasa 20s, yung mga nagsisimula magtrabaho, mag-start kayo ng investment. Dati, yung may brokerage account ka, kailangan mag-open sa bangko. Ang daming, tapos may mga, usually, mutual funds ang kanilang pinopromote dahil syempre mas malaki yung commission nila, almost 1 to 2% sa mutual funds, no? So management nila yun yung expense ratio or management fee. Iba pa yung management fee tsaka iba pa yung management expense ratio, yung MER. So ang ko is kayo sa TFS inyo nung open kayo, tapos mag-trade na lang kayo dun ng mga ETF sa mga beginner, kasi ang ETF diversified yan, no? Ang exchange traded funds, parang rin yun, index funds. Ang kaibahan lang ng index funds sa ETF is yung index funds mabibili mo after market yung final price na. Yung index fund yung ETF is you can trade it during the day, buy or sell it during market hours. You can buy it fractional. Yan. Pati yung index funds, I think you can buy it fractional too. By the amount that you're buying it, hindi yung per share. Tapos may mga limit buy. Limit buy is you're expecting it, say, mag-lower yung price ng ilang cents or dollars, and then you set that up as your limit price. So now pagka yung ma-meet niya within the market hours, I think minsan may mga hanggang may limit buy akong sa Wealthsimple na hanggang August. So ngayon is June. So in 2 months, pagka yung limit buy price mo is ma-meet niya yung price nung stock, so you can automatically get it, right, at the set price that you limit. So yun. Tapos may mga traded options Yung options may mga strike price, no? May call put. So I think you call mo yung strike price. Yung put is yung call, I think you buy. Tapos yung put is when you sell it. Yan, medyo madilim. Sell it. So, yun ang pagkakaintindi ko, no? Ang dami kong mga pinapanood sa YouTube kung paano Pero medyo mahirap pa rin pagka hindi mo pinractice yung mga traded options. So, I'm just doing it by mga limit buy kaysa yung ako. Kasi may mga ata yan fee magka yung ginamit mo yung traded options. So Wealthsimple. So it's simple user interface, no? So Wealthsimple compared to I have a Moomoo app which I use for looking at the dividend yield at saka mga MER nandun sa Moomoo, tsaka yung mga holdings nila nandun ilang percentage. Pag wala namang Moomoo, you can just get yung Yahoo Financials, pero I didn't find the MER dun sa Yahoo Financials. So, yan. Yun. And ang meron pang isa yung Quest Trade Mobile. Kulay green yung ano niya, yung interface niya, and black. So medyo I'm still studying yung kung paano siya ginagamit. Yan, kaya yun ang mga kailangan natin gawin. And then yun. So yun nga, no, ang advice ko sa mga 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s, 60s, mga retired na yan, may mga income portfolio na siguro sila. Saka yung RSP meltdown, bago yung iba, bago matanggap nila yung CPP ng 65 or 60, ginagawa nila is in RSP meltdown na para nasa lower tax bracket sila, no? Hindi nila hintayin na i-meltdown nila under 65 above, kasi with your CPP, OAS, and some other senior benefits amount, nagdagdag sa income yun, so more tax. So ang purpose or ang target mo is to lower the tax, or yan, ganda, lower the tax, or sometimes yung up to, they said up to 27,000 pwede kang walang tax. So yun ang ating pag-aaralan, kasi yung 16,000 yung basic personal income, tapos nadagdagan mo yung old age, parang ganun benefit, another amount, I have to find out what it is, and then some other stuff na credit, may disability credit kung may disability ka, so it adds up to 27,000 na pwede mong i-meltdown from your RSP. And then TFSA, huwag mong nagalawin yun before 60, 65, depende kung kailan mo kukunin yung CPP. And then yun, try to maximize the TFSA and RSP. If you're making over 58,000, then do the RSP thing. But if you're in the tax bracket na 58,000 below, then try to maximize the TFSA. Yan. So hanggang dito na muna. And see you next vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga videos. Yan. Tsaka kung interesado kayo sa mga video na gaya nito, ating Buhay Canada Investment sa Canada, just subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.